Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going on a point of view drive with this car, the new Ford Focus. This is the facelifted version, and here we have the active version, a bit more robust, as you can see by the looks of the bumpers and the wheel arches. Also, the car is a bit higher from the ground compared to the standard version, 30mm on the front and 34mm at the back. And the facelifted Focus has the new face with the new grille, and this is now incorporated into the grille itself. So the badge, new lights, LED as standard now, and optionally you can get the matrix LEDs. New wheel design, 17-inch wheels on this one. We have the active sign here, blue metallic color on the model in our video. Let's unlock it once again. This is the side profile. From the rear, LEDs, Focus lettering, and let me just open the trunk. There we go, nice square shape. But now, without further ado, let's go on a drive. As you can see here, EcoBoost hybrid. So this is a mild hybrid model, 125 horsepower. You're gonna take it on a drive. I'm gonna also show you how it performs on the highway. This is the interior with the all new infotainment system. So let's jump on board and let's see all the details from driver's perspective. All right, and let's start the car. Start engine button is here. And this is it. In front of us, 4.2-inch screen and the classic dials. You can also get the digital cockpit as an option, and here the main star is the new 13.2-inch touchscreen, which looks gorgeous, and it's got the all new infotainment system. So now, without further ado, we are ready to go on a drive. Put it to drive and we are ready to go. So there are various engine options for the new Ford Focus. Mild hybrid, petrol, so this is the mild hybrid petrol, then the standard petrol, and also the diesel is available. And this is 125 horsepower mild hybrid, which could be an ideal option. You can also get the stronger one, but I think for an average buyer, this one should really do the job. I will also show you the drive on the highway today. And this screen really looks nice, and you may notice that we no longer have a lot of buttons here. They are replaced by this screen, and AC can be controlled here. It's really not hard to use the AC, among the best touch controlled AC out there. Car has a few driving modes. In order to access them, you need to press this button. Now you have normal, eco, slippery, and trail, which are the modes reserved for the active model, and also the sport mode, where you immediately feel that the throttle response is better. But for now, let's put the car to normal mode. I will just cruise, and I will just let you enjoy the drive, and I'll talk to you again when we reach the highway. And just one more thing, if you want to deactivate the start stop, this is the button where you do it. Alright guys, and we are now entering the highway. Put the car on sport mode and we're gonna floor it now. And that's it, 130. Put the car back to the normal mode. And at 130, you see we are in around 2,500 RPMs. So this is the digital speedometer in this small screen as well. Not sure if camera is catching it. And now I have adjusted the lane assist. It will keep us in lane now. Look at this. So you see we have both alert and aid. Let's put the cruise control to 130. There we go. So you see now we have cruise control 130 and also the lane assist is active here. Soon we will reach the area where the speed limit is 100. So let's see the performance now. 100. There we go. Now it's really quiet in here. You can also set the cruise control. There we go. 2000 RPMs. Nice cruise. Okay guys, tell me in the comments, how do you like the new Ford Focus? How do you like this big screen? And this screen is standard on all models in Croatia except the first trim. So the first trim gets you the smaller 8-inch screen with the older infotainment system. So I would suggest actually going for higher trims to get the screen itself. I think it's really nice. But yeah, tell me in the comments, what do you prefer? Which screen do you prefer? And how do you like the new Focus? Subscribe to the channel. Also check out my full review of this car, which is already live, and you can also watch the night drive. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.